Hi, this is Ben from Group 25, Dads Against Depression, Capstone group. I'm going to do a quick overview of what we've worked on this sprint. So basically the goal of the sprint was to get some high fidelity prototypes set up and also make some design changes based on the feedback from our sponsor. So yeah, I'll go into that. So we've changed the navigation on the site so that instead of routing to different pages for these pieces of information, we're just going to have it all on one page and scroll down. So we had Sabrina working on that functionality. Another thing we did, we added some test data so that we could test some of our different users. Another thing we did was that we set up, so instead of just having it run on our local we have it set up with GitHub pages so that when we merge into dev, we can have this set up so that we can have a quick view of what we're working on. So Alana set that up today. We've also set up Google Lighthouse, which Chad has been working on to test our code before we merge. So some of the prototypes we have here, Alana had made these. So this is the school admin portal. We haven't implemented all of these yet. We're still working on that. But yeah, so basically we have this little admin portal. You can see the competitions for the mental health awareness competitions that you can start as an admin in the site. And then once you click on that, you can see the competition name and you can manage your participants, which would be students. So basically, after talking to our sponsor, what we're going to do is we're going to store the data when you add students, their email and their ID, so that when the other group, the other Capstone group in the CS department, when they finish their essay submission site, they can we'll publish an API so that they can verify that the student is actually added by the administrator. And we're going to be using Azure Storage for that. But for now, we also this sprint added some dummy data so that we can actually test that these things actually work. So those are the prototypes. This is just a quick look at our code base here. Some of these have not been implemented or have not been merged into dev. So there's also this footer at the bottom too that will link to our sponsor's Facebook page and also a link for emailing, which brings up your little mail app. And that's pretty much it. I think that'll do it.